Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Lists view formatting after edits. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Microsoft Lists view formatting after edits, start by opening your Microsoft Lists application. Navigate to the specific list where you need to restore the formatting. Locate the view you want to restore in the drop-down menu at the top right corner of your list. Select the view to open it. Next, click on the All Items drop-down. From the options, choose Format Current View. In the formatting pane, look for the JSON option. If you did not save the previous formatting, check if you have a backup of your JSON code. If you have a backup, copy the entire JSON code. Return to the formatting pane and paste the JSON code into the designated area. After pasting, click the Preview button to see the changes in real time. Once satisfied with the preview, click the Save button to apply the formatting. If you need to make any adjustments, you can modify the JSON code in this same area. If you don't have a backup of the previous formatting, you will need to manually recreate your desired view. Consider reviewing Microsoft's documentation for guidance on formatting with JSON. After restoring the formatting, navigate back to your list view to confirm the changes. This process ensures your list displays correctly as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech